Everyone and welcome to our channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $24.56, okay, 0.905. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen this is the zone where the price of gold is moving, and we have seen three high. Now there is a probability that it can make fourth high in this particular month of year of 2024. Okay, and if it started breaking a high of all-time high, then a probability that it can cross a level of 2600 also, and chance of touching 2060 we can 50 we can see, and then further upside. So what you can do is you can trail your SL by $10 to $15, so that maximum of the profit you can take. Now coming back again here, what we have seen that after there is a low of 1810, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and in the month of around September of 2022, we have seen that it made a low of around 1617. After that there is a continuous upside, you can say from around 800, more than $800 movement we have seen in just 2 years, less than 2 years. Okay, probability will be higher that if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. If you look at the dollar index also, if we look at the dollar index also is moving in this zone, as I've already explained you that if the price started falling below 104, a further fall we can see in dollar index. Okay, and then a price of, you can say, gold will rise. But if the price of started going above a level of 104.5, a further upside movement we can see, then the gold price will come down. This is what we can see, and there is a narrow pattern forming, so chances are high we can see there can be a chances if started falling below 103.5, a further downfall we can see. Okay, but started going above level of 105, a further upside we can see. Now coming back on again on the gold price, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, chances are very high that if the price moving above this level, which is second high, which has already moved above this particular high of around 2454, now trading with a high of around $2456. Okay, and chances are high today's high is around $2467. It can cross this level, and yes, it can touch a level of around 2483. If the price moving above this particular level, we can see there will be a further upside movement towards a level of around 2500, and if that sustain, a further upside, okay, towards a level of 2550, and then a further high. So you can trail your SL by $10 to $15. Understand something, see, market is uncertain. Before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video. You understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, understand, always try to set your SL, that will save your capital. Okay, and always try to trail your SL, that will save your profit. These two things if you are doing, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 2453, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2434. Okay, keeping that in mind, that we can see it will fall further down towards $23. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2389. You have to keep it in mind that if it started falling below a level of $23, we can see there will be a further downfall towards 2400, and chance of touching 2383 we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2371. Okay, and if that level didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $2353. Keeping that in mind, because 2353 is already being tested, so chances of going towards a level of around 2303 will be there, and then a further low. This is the zone where the price will move if the price started falling below 2300. Keeping that in mind, that started falling below 2300, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my